All right, how's it going, everyone? Today, we want to show you the updates of our Skapi website. Finally, it's in sleek dark mode now, and we want to show you what have changed and what we offer in our Skapi websites and how to create your own service in Skapi. So here we see a nice landing page. It has lots of useful informations. It has a sleek new design. We've been working so hard on this. And when you go to My Services, now you see this very nice looking list of your own services in Skapi. We have this card for a link to your Skapi documentations and some announcements and news. You can click on the documentation. It leads directly to Skapi Docs. And we also have a card for whenever we have any exciting news, announcements, or new features, we are going to display that on this card. And on the right card, we have this create button where you could just create a new service in Skapi. So here, it's going to be Hello World, and let's create. It's going to ask, what plan are you going to choose? For now, we'll just go for trial. And once you have successfully created your new service in Skapi, you land on this Getting Started page where it gives you a useful bundle of information where you could see your services IDs and service owners IDs. This is useful when you are setting up your Skapi API in your code. And below that, we have this starter template page, which is very useful to get started immediately. We provide you just basic example of how you could build the authentications, database, chat app, WebRTC, video calls in all HTML formats. And below, we have also offer you start templates for various frameworks, including just vanilla HTML. And also we have Vue.js, Angular, and React. It's just a very minimal, bare, plain templates where you could just get started with Skapi immediately. And other than that, we have information of how you can set up your AI-based development or how to set up your HTML projects, your SBA projects. So we have this information where we could guide you to get started immediately. On the left side of the menu, you'll see the list of menu. And when you go to the service settings, this page displays all the information of basic settings of your service. In this page, you could change your service name, or you could set up your course, your secret key. More information would be, you could just click on Go Docs. And when you click that link, it will take you to the documentation page related to that service page. And below, you could toggle some settings. And also, you can monitor your storage usage of your service. And also, you could change your plan, your subscription plan. And of course, if you plan to delete your service, you could do that as well by clicking on Delete Service. Next, we have the users page. So we have this nice laid out table. So here you could search the users by different parameters. You can create a new users within this user page. There it is. And you could also view the users that are using your service as well. And also you could either grant access, you could block users, delete users, and of course you can invite new users to your service. And next we have this Open ID loggers. So this page you can set up your Open ID loggers. For example, let's say if your website needs Google login or GitHub login. So you can set that up from this page by registering these third-party loggers. So you could give a loggers ID, username key, and request URL. For more details about this, you could always check the documentation by clicking on Go Docs. And next, we have this client secret key. So let's say you're using a third-party APIs like OpenAI's image generator, and you want to implement that in your web services. So in that case, if you're using a third-party APIs, you need to have client secret keys secured somewhere. So This is the page where you can actually save your client secret key securely, and you can let Skapi to access these third-party APIs in secure manner from your client side of code. And of course, for more information, don't forget to check out the documentation page. And now this is the database page. You can search the record, you can create the record. So for example, I'm going to show you the other service that I'm operating. So this is how it looks. It has some data in my database. It shows you all the parameters that is set with the data. You can query the data. You can do a search query. You could do a search query with all the query parameters provided. And you can create or delete these data at your will. And other than that, we have automated email setting page. We have bulk email page where you can send out newsletters to your users. And of course, we also have file hosting page, which we will talk about it in the next video. Right, so currently Skapi is pretty much stable, and we are very proud to introduce you to the recent version and the sleek new design of the web page. You better check it out. So I guess that's it for today, and I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.